Video starts with a confident smile. Today I'm going to share how you can make $100,000 a year in passive income by 2025. If you really want financial freedom, watch this video till the end, because I'll show you step by step how it's possible. Animation on screen showing passive income source. First of all, what is passive income? Passive income is a source of income that comes without your direct work. I mean, you're sleeping, but still having money in your account. For example, real estate rentals, dividend stocks, income from online businesses. Now the question is, why is it important? Because it gives you time and financial freedom. Slide on screen, list of sources, your top 5 sources to generate passive income in 2025. Real estate, income by renting out your flat or house. Dividend stock investment, dividend income every month by investing in stock market. Online business, blogging, affiliate marketing, or selling ebooks, digital products, create online courses or sell software. Bonds or mutual funds, where you earn through interest. Showing a step-by-step chart on the screen. So now the question is, how do you get started? Set goals. Earn $100,000 a year. You need to earn $8,333 a month. Start investing. First, determine your budget. Suppose you invest $50,000 in the stock market, earning a return of 4% per annum. Start online business. Open a blog or YouTube channel. Create content first. Diversify investments. Invest in real estate, stocks, and digital products, not just in one place. Mathematical analysis of plan shown on screen. Let me give an example. Dividend stocks, $300,000. Investment $12,000 a year. Real estate, $36,000 a year from rent. Digital products, $4,000 a month, $48,000 a year. Online blog, $12,000 a year. Gross income, $12,000 plus $36,000 plus $48,000 plus $12,000 equals $108,000. Showing some quick tips on screen. A few special tips for you. First, make a good financial plan. Do a little hard work early on for passive income. Reinvest a portion of the income. Continuously learn and display. Subscribe for more text on screen. Friends, generating passive income is not possible in a day. But if you follow the plan and be patient, then it is possible in 2025. If you like the video, then write your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Watch. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay well. End of video. Channel name and subscription button shown. Embrace new ideas.